Namaskaram friends. Today let's see 33rd Divya Desam, Thiruvaikuntha Vinnagaram. So far we have seen many Vinnagarams. One is Thiruvinnagaram, Uppaliyappan temple, no? That is Thiruvinnagaram. And within this Tirunangur we saw 4 different Vinnagarams like Kalishi Rama Vinnagaram, Nandipura Vinnagaram. Nandipura Vinnagaram we saw where Nandi did the penance. And Arimeya Vinnagaram. Arimeya Vinnagaram is where Lord Perumal vanishes our sins and all doshams. And this one is Thiruvaikuntha Vinnagaram. The other one is Parameshwara Vinnagaram. This is near Kanchipuram, that is yet to be seen. So Perumal, the significance is here the Perumal's name is Vaikuntha Nada Perumal, Vaikuntha Valli Nachiyar. So they both graces so beautifully here. The very beautiful significance here is that Perumal gives the darshan the similar way how he graces in the Vaikuntham, the real Vaikuntham. One we the place where we all wishes to reach is what we can see directly in the earth itself is this place called Thiruvaikuntha Vinnagaram. This is again one of the Tirunangur Divya Desam, 11 Divya Desams, and here God gives darshan in the sitting posture, the way he gives darshan in the real Vaikuntha. Actually, we know God is in reclining posture in ocean of milk, Parkadal. In the Vaikuntham, he will be in the sitting posture, and here there is 2 types of Vaikuntham medicines. Before we reach the real Vaikuntham, there is one is called Karya Vaikuntham. There is the history talks about Karya Vaikuntham. Let's see what it is. There was a king called Svetan. Sveta Ketu Raja. He is also known as Svetan. He is a very good king. One who follows honesty and integrity. He is such a kind of very honest and good person. He wants to attain moksham. He wants to have attain moksham and get the darshan of Lord Perumal in the Vaikuntham. So after completing all his political duties along with his wife Damayanti, this Svetaketa Raja is from Ikshavaku dynasty that belongs to Lord Rama. He is from those kings' generation. So he wants to get moksham. So he and his wife did the penance and they got moksham. They visited, they got a chance to see the Vaikuntham. Before they enter the Vaikuntham, they have to pass through this Karya Vaikuntham. So they were in the Karya Vaikuntham, and from there they couldn't find the Vaikuntha Vasal. And also this king, Svetan, he feels very hungry also. One who is attaining moksham, one who came out of all the worldly desires, should not actually feel hungry. But he feels hungry, so he was so upset and he inquired Maharishi Narada and asked why he is feeling so hungry and also why they couldn't find the Vaikuntha Vasal to enter, though they got the moksha. So Maharishi said maybe they have not done their charity work properly, donations and all. Though they did the deep penance, maybe there are some more work to be done. So he asked to do the penance again and complete all the charity work. So this Sveta king went back with his wife and they did the penance from this place called Thiruvaikuntha Vinnagaram along with Uttanga Maharishi. Uttanga Maharishi was also doing penance to Lord Narayana. So Lord Narayana gave darshans to all of them along with Bhudevi, Sri Devi and Neela Devi. What a beautiful darshan it would have been, right? So Uttanga Maharishi requested Narayana to give darshan permanently from this place for all the people who wants to see him in the earth, because we don't know whether we'll go to Vaikuntham. Most of us doesn't know, and if we know also, it will be a overconfidence kind. So for those who have the doubts, they can visit Vaikuntham in the similar darshan that he gives in the original Vaikuntham, and this place called Thiruvaikuntha Vinnagaram. So that's a very beautiful specialty of this temple. And this temple's Pushkarni name is, the Vimanam name is Satya Vimanam, and is also known as Gajaranya Kshetram. Vaikuntha Nachiyar we say. Vereja Tirtham, because in the Vaikuntham we can see the Vereja river. Similarly, here the Tirtham before the temple they call Vereja Tirtham. We can say another version of Vaikuntham but in earth. That is nothing but Thiruvaikuntha Vinnagaram. Srirangam was also the first one. It's the Vaikuntham. And this is the Thiruvaikuntha. The name itself has Thiruvaikuntha Vinnagaram. So that's the details of 33rd Divya Desam. This is one of the Tirunangor Kshetrams around Sririgari area. Notes? Yeah. It's just beautiful Sanskrit words. Nothing related to this temple. Sanskrit words. I just heard others and I thought I should share. There is a difference between Shariram and Degam. Shariram is called the body that shrinks, and Degam in Sanskrit are said to be the body that expands. So one who puts on weight, their body is referred as Degam. One who shrinks, who loses weight, their body is said to be Degam. Shariram. There's a difference, see? That's our beautiful language about Sanskrit. This is a small note. Let us see tomorrow, 34th Divya Desam. Thank you all friends. Namaskar.